Welcome once again to InfinCE Help. Let's explore InfinCE organizational units this time. I am Natasha for Team InfinCE. You have the flexibility to tailor your organization's structure to fit your needs. An organizational unit, or OU, refers to any type of business unit classification, for example, departments, which is the default setting in InfinCE. Access your organizational units by clicking on Administration, followed by People. From there, simply select the required OU level. In the example here, click on Department to view the list of existing departments and associated details. Adding a department is easy. Just click Add Department, fill in the required info, and hit Submit. The new department will then be added to the list. You will be able to perform a bunch of actions, like view and edit a department from here. Click on the View Action icon to open a particular department. In the Manage Associated Users tab, you can view the list of users in the department, and use the Add User option to add users to the department. Manage user roles in a department by clicking the edit icon next to their name. Remove a user from the department using the Remove icon. You can search directly or use the filter options to get the required users. If you have defined subdepartment levels under Department, you can view them by clicking on the Associated Subdepartments tab. Here, you can add or manage the subdepartments associated with the chosen department. Go to the Associated Roles tab to see all the roles associated at the department level. That summarizes all the relevant things to know about managing organizational units in InfinCE.